Hello guys, it's your girl Belinda and you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be installing this DIY ponytail and Senegalese twist that I made myself a few days back. This is the pack. So I started out by sectioning out my hair. We are going for a low ponytail. So I'm going to have the ponytail down here. And I'll do something with the front here, and then this one I'm going to weave it coming forward, this one also weaving coming forward. So stay with me and I'll put it. I'm braiding this part, as you can see. So I'm going to come to this one right now. You can see I have different section right now on my hair. This part I'm going to braid going backwards, this part I'm going to braid going backwards, but this tiny one right here I'm going to braid coming forward, and I'll come back to tell you what I'm going to do with this one. So right now I'm braiding that tiny one coming forward. We're going to deal with these two horns right now. But you try to align it with the previous one, just like I did. You see, I'm aligning it to this one. So the next one I'm going to section out. I'm also going to align it with the next one. So like so until I finish making the 6 boxes. I do not comb my hair with this tiny comb because I feel like it promotes hair breakage. I only use this part to like section my hair. I comb with this big comb. I comb with only white tooth comb. So now we're going to start braiding this one backwards, and as I'm braiding I'm going to be inserting these boxes one after the other. So I'm going to repeat the same thing I did here. I'm going to do it over here, and I'll come back. So now the two parts are done. Now we're going to come to our ponytail. So I'm just going to braid this one out of the way. I'm going to section it into three like this, three legs, and I just start crossing each one underneath the next one. So now it's done. Just going to wrap it around itself like this, like so. So what you want to do first is to cover this, our small bantu knot here, cover it with this ponytail, and then you're going to draw that string. Where is it? Draw it to secure it like this. Then you tie the excess rope around the bantu. And then remember to knot it at the end so it doesn't lose, so it doesn't go anywhere. As you can see, I've knotted it, so now it is strong. So we're going to look for that big braid I showed you guys, this one. You bring it out, and that's what you're going to use to secure this part where the cloth is showing. Just going to do this. Just keep wrapping it until you run out of the hair. So this leftover hair, I'll use my crochet needle to tuck it away somewhere. I'll use my crochet needle to tuck it away. So now it's properly hidden. And there you go. So our low ponytail is done. So now let's get to these ones right here. I'm just going to decorate it with beads, and I'll come back and show you how it's looking. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful in any way, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, you see your girl Belinder, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then.